Hello again, all our little lab kids, scientists out there. Today we're going to see how we can change something from a solid to a liquid and then return it to solid again. And to do that, we're going to actually make some glycerin soap. So we start off with some glycerin soap cubes, which we're going to put into our beaker. And you can see that we can't pour them at all. And the shape of the soap we're going to make today is going to be little ice creams, but you can use any little silicone mold that you like. So lay it on a plate ready for when this does turn to liquid. Now to change it from a solid to a liquid, we actually have to apply some heat. But before we do that, because it is soap, we want it to smell really, really lovely. So I'm adding some flavoured food colouring. There we go. I'm using strawberry because that's my favourite. And we're going to put this now into the microwave to increase the temperature of the glycerin. So in it goes for 25 seconds and out will come our melted glycerin. And you can see now it's a liquid. Can you see how I'm holding it near the top of the beaker as well? Because it's a little bit warm, I've only just melted it. It's not really, really hot, but just to be safe, I hold it like this. Then I stir it with my stirrer just to mix the food colouring in with the soap. And now it's actually ready to pour. So we will pour one mould at a time with this while it's still liquid. And when you've finished pouring, all your mould and you've run out of liquid soap, then you can either put it in the freezer for a few minutes or just leave it around on the bench for a little bit longer. It does take longer to cool in an open environment. And then when it has set, I've got one here, they're actually hard to touch. They return to solid form again. And this is the fun part because this is where we get to pop them out and see our little soap creations. And they're quite gorgeous. I've got a little plate here. And that would make a gorgeous little present for someone. I hope you enjoy your soap. Bye now.